Imagine your feet swollen, cracked, and riddled with painful sores, each one harboring a living parasite. This is the nightmare of a jigger infestation. The chigo flea or Tunga penetrans is a tiny parasite that burrows into your skin, usually on the feet. Unlike other fleas, the female chigo flea digs in head first, leaving only her hind legs and abdomen exposed. She feeds on your blood, swelling to the size of a pea as she develops her eggs. All the while, she releases waste into your tissues, causing intense inflammation and opening the door to dangerous infections. After 2 weeks, she expels over 100 eggs through your skin, then dies, her decaying body left behind to fester. This cycle repeats with dozens or even hundreds of fleas burrowing into the same person, leading to crippling pain and disfigurement. For millions living in poverty, this is a daily reality, a silent epidemic that destroys lives from the ground up. The skin becomes a battlefield, every step a torment. The horror isn't rare or distant, it's happening now in communities with little protection. The jigger's invasion is a profound violation, turning a simple part of the body into a landscape of suffering. Jigger infection unfolds in 4 brutal stages. Stage 1, a faint itch, a tiny red spot with a black dot. The flea's entry point. Stage 2, the area swells, becomes painful and itchy as the flea grows and feeds. The black dot enlarges and walking becomes agony. Stage 3, the flea reaches full size, forming a white nodule. She releases her eggs and the skin cracks open, risking secondary infections. Stage 4, the flea dies inside your skin, leaving a festering ulcer or abscess. Healing is slow, scars are permanent, and pain lingers. For many, this cycle never ends. New fleas are always waiting. Each stage brings more damage, more suffering. The body is under siege, and the enemy is relentless. Without intervention, the wounds multiply, trapping victims in a cycle of misery. An untreated jigger wound is an open door for deadly bacteria. Infections like cellulitis and gangrene can set in, turning a small bite into a medical emergency. The infection can reach the bone, causing osteomyelitis or destroy tissue, leading to amputation. The most dangerous risk is sepsis, when bacteria from the wounds enter the bloodstream, triggering organ failure. Without urgent treatment, sepsis is often fatal. Chronic infestations cause severe disfigurement, fused toes, lost limbs, and constant pain. Children miss school, adults can't work, and families are trapped in poverty. Tetanus is another threat, especially when non-sterile tools are used for flea removal. Jiggers are not just a nuisance, they are a direct cause of disability and death. The journey from a tiny itch to life-threatening illness is terrifyingly fast. The impact is devastating, both physically and socially. For many, the suffering never truly ends. Treating jiggers starts with careful removal using sterile tools, never pins or thorns. The wound must be cleaned and dressed to prevent infection. Severe cases require antibiotics, sometimes even hospitalization. Simply removing the flea isn't enough if infection has set in. Medical care is essential. Prevention is key. Wear shoes, avoid contaminated soil, and keep floors clean. Regular foot washing and inspections can catch fleas early. Insecticides or concrete floors help break the flea's life cycle. The fight against jiggers is a fight for dignity and survival. This is a public health crisis that demands awareness, resources, and action. Protect your feet. Your life could depend on it.